Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome you all to English language class. Hope you all are enjoying the online classes. So let's begin. Today we learn how to rewrite conditional sentences without changing their meanings. So let's begin with type number 1. You know very well, in type number 1, conditional sentence is conditional clause is in present tense and result clause is in future tense. So for example, if it rains, you will remain inside. If it rains, you will remain inside. If you want to rewrite the sentence without changing meaning, of course, in conditional clause, you have to use subordinate conjunction which expresses condition. You see here, first of all, I have used in the event. So in the event, it rains and result clause is same. You will remain inside. In the event it rains, you will remain inside. Here you can see meaning doesn't change, but only form has been changed. Only form of the sentence has been changed. Another way also it can be written, provided it rains. Provided it rains, you will remain inside. Again, meaning is same. Now, let's come to the type 2 of conditional sentence. So here you know very well, conditional clause is in simple past tense and result clause is in equivalent future simple. See here, would or should plus mean 1. And here, if it rained, you would remain inside. If it rained, you would remain inside. So how will you change this without changing its meaning? How will you write this sentence so that meaning shouldn't change? So just simply what you have to do, were it to rain, were he to come, were he to help me, just you have to use were he to. See here, if it rained, you would remain inside. So were it to rain, result clause will remain same. You would remain inside. If the sentence is, if he came, I would help him. So were he to come, I would help him. Once more I repeat. If he came, I would help him. So were he to come, I would help him. It can be written. It also can be written another way. Just make conditional clause into question format. This is also called inversion. We inverse the order of words. But you have to use auxiliary verb should. This is the condition. So if it rain, should it rain? Should it rain? You would remain inside. Should it rain? And the result clause will remain same. You would remain inside. Another example I give you. If he came, I would help him. So should he come, I would help him. If you helped me, I would do that project. So should you help me, I would do that project. Were you to help me, I would do that project. So in this way you have understood how to rewrite conditional type 2 without changing its meaning. But you may change its form. So here we have learned how to rewrite conditional number 1 without changing its meaning, and conditional number 2 also. Thank you. Well, dear students, now see conditional type third. How to rewrite this type of sentence without changing its meaning. So see, you know, in type third, conditional clause is in past perfect tense if he had not sorted out, had not plus if he had not sorted out the problem. And result clause is in would have, could have, should have, might have plus V3. So would have V3 for. So see, his sentence is if he had not sorted out the problem, if he had not sorted out the problem, we would have fought. If he had not sorted out the problem, we would have fought. So first of all, what we have to do? Just convert this conditional clause into question sentence. I mean, use inversion. So see here, first auxiliary verb. So had he not sorted out the problem, had he not sorted out the problem, and result clause will remain same. We would have fought. But you have to be careful. The sentence ends with full stop, not question mark, because this is not an interrogative sentence. So, had he not sorted out the problem, we would have fought. And the example I give you, if he hadn't helped me, I would have suffered. If he hadn't helped me, I would have suffered. I write for you. If he hadn't helped me, I would have suffered. So how will you rewrite this sentence without changing its meaning? Just make these question formats. So, had he not helped me? That's it. Had he not helped me? And result clause remains same. I would have suffered. That's it. Second way, you could use but for, then noun form. But for his coming. But for his here sorting out the problem. But for his helping me. So here the but for his sorting out the problem, we will have for. Result clause remains same. Here also, but for his helping me. But for his helping me, I would have this result clause remains same, so I would have suffered. I would have suffered. So, in this way you have seen how to rewrite Conditional sentence number 3rd. Thank you.